Good morning to everyone. This is the sum we will be doing now in front of your screen. We were doing investment accounting, in which we have started with fluctuating income, that is non-fixed income equity shares, in the last lecture. Today, let us continue with the equity share sums. There's a next question in front of your screen. Universal Plastics Traders acquired 5,000 shares of Maruti Limited at rupees 80.40 each. So Universal Plastic Traders, they acquired means purchased 5,000 shares of Maruti Limited at rupees 80.40 each on 15th July 2012. So when we multiply, we will get the cost, and the transaction has taken place on 15th July. 5,000 units of shares have been purchased at rupees 80.40 per share. On 1st December 2012, Maruti Limited issued right shares in the ratio of 2:5 at rupees 98 per share. Now, what do you mean by right shares? Right shares means whenever a company comes up again, like once after the initial public offer, that is the first time when the company has sold the shares in the open market. After that, if again a company is in need of funds and it comes with the fresh issue, so the first chance to purchase the shares is given to the existing shareholders. So right issue means if after the IPO, again, if the company is in requirement of funds and comes with the fresh issue, then the first option to purchase the shares is given to the existing shareholders. If they reject, then only the option goes to the option of purchase of shares goes to the open market. So the public can purchase the shares, but the first option is given to the existing equity shareholders. So here also there is an option of right shares, and the ratio is 2:5. Means everyone who has 5 shares will get 2 right shares, and the price is 98 rupees. So at what price the right shares will be given? At rupees 98 per share. And for 5, the ones who are having 5 shares will get 2 right shares. Right shares also are equity shares. They are not different than the equity shares. Only the first option to purchase is given to the existing equity shareholders. Option is 2:5, means 2 right shares for 5 existing equity shares. Then what they say, Universal Plastic Traders exercise their option for 50% of right shares and applied for the same. So it is like not you have to, suppose you are getting, as per the ratio, you are getting this much shares you can purchase for the maximum. Then it is not compulsory that you will have to purchase all the maximum shares. You can purchase minimum shares also, how much you want to purchase. So this Universal Plastic Traders did not purchase all the right shares, but they jitna bhi they exercise their option for 50%. Jitna bhi aaya hai number of shares, they opted for 50% of only So jitna bhi hai, suppose it was 5,000. So they did not purchase all the 5,000. They purchased only 50% of the same. That is 5,000 ka 50% is 2,500. This is just an example that suppose the this one is coming for 50,000. So how much are they? They are, sorry, 15 5,000. Suppose the option is coming for 5,000. So they have to purchase only 50%. So 5,000 ka 50%, 2,500. They have given here that Universal Plastic Trader exercise their option for 50% of right shares. So जितना भी right share का ratio आएगा, उसका 50% only the universal traders, plastic traders will purchase, and they on 20th March 2013, Universal Plastic Trader sold 1,600 shares of Maruti Limited at rupees 99.50 per share. So whenever there is a sale, we will have to calculate profit or loss. So in this sum, they've asked us to calculate profit or loss on sale on share. Calculate profit or loss on sale of shares on 20th March 2013. So in this sum, what they have asked is only to calculate the profit or loss on sale of shares on 20th March 2013. Rest nothing is asked. So we have to only calculate the profit or loss when we are doing a sale. It may be a profit or it may be a loss. So what we will do, they have not given the nominal value column. They have only given, they have not given that how much is the face value of one share. If we want, we can assume and do. But when they have only given the cost option, so let us give only the, they have given only the cost everywhere. So let us prepare only the cost column. So here, investment account, investment in, what is it? Equity shares of which company? Maruti Limited. Equity shares in Maruti Limited account, and it's in the books of Universal, in the books of Universal Traders, in the books of Universal Traders Limited, or whatever it is, Universal Trader. So let us prepare the investment account. We want the date column, particular column, working note column, and cost column. So 4 columns this side also. Date, particular, working note, here also date. Let us extend here. Working. So date, nominal value they have not given, so I have not prepared that column. And dividend के बारे में भी कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, so इसलिए dividend column भी नहीं किया, because for fixed income डिबेंचर सब में इंटरेस्ट पे करना कंपलसरी है. सो जब हम परचेज सेल करते हैं इंटरेस्ट भी एक्सचेंज करते हैं, पर इक्विटी शेयर में डिविडेंड पे करना इज नॉट कंपलसरी. सो डिविडेंड का बारे में कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, सो वो कॉलम भी नहीं प्रिपेयर किया. So first date given is 2012 15th July. (2012 15th July). So उस दिन क्या किया? What we have done? Acquired 5,000 shares of Maruti Limited. Acquired, this is मतलब purchase means investment will increase when we purchase. And when we purchase, what goes out? Cash bank account goes out, money goes out. What is the amount? 5,000 shares खरीदा 80.40 में, means how much? 5,000 into 80.40. How much is it coming? 4,02,000. Are you getting this? 5,000 shares खरीदा and at the cost is 80.40. So for 5,000 into 80.40 kiya, we are getting the cost 4,02,000. Now let us prepare the cost structure also. This will be our working note 1. So इसमें नॉमिनल वैल्यू तो नहीं दिया है, सो पर्टिकुलर यूनिट कॉस्ट, particulars units cost. So here purchase. How much is this? How much unit is this? कितना unit खरीदा? 5,000. What is the cost? 4,02,000. Correct? 5,000 units we purchase and the cost is 4,02,000. Nominal value nothing is given, so we are keeping it blank. So when we have not prepared the column only, then unit में भी हम cost structure also we cannot prepare. Next, what is given? Next one, which is important, is about right shares. So let us go to working note 2, right shares. Right shares का ratio क्या दिया है? Ratio given is what is the ratio given? 2:5. Means for 5 equity shares held, two 2:5 है ना? Right shares. Right shares are also equity shares. So बोलते हैं कि हमारे पास अगर 5 इक्विटी शेयर है, so हमें 2 right shares मिलेगा. See, they have not clearly told. They have only given 2:5. ऐसे नहीं बोला है कितना हेल्ड के लिए कितना राइट शेयर मिलेगा. But then maximum, they will not give maximum right shares. तो जितना हमारे पास जो बड़ा नंबर है, हमने वो अज्यूम ही किया है that हमारे पास यहाँ पे they have not given properly that how much held, how much right shares will be given. We have assumed कि 5 right share, 2 equity share के लिए 5 right share तो कभी नहीं देंगे. that हमारे पास 2 इक्विटी शेयर है तो उसके बदले में 5 राइट शेयर दे दिया. ऐसा तो कंपनी कभी नहीं करने वाला. So it will be the opposite way only, that if you have 5 इक्विटी शेयर, you will get 2 right share. 2:5 का रेशो है, 2 right share for 5 shares held. आपके पास 5 शेयर है, you will get 2 right share. तो we have assumed that. So हमारे पास कितना इक्विटी शेयर है? How much equity share we have purchased? See in the question, how much equity share we have purchased? 5,000. To do a cross multiplication, उसके लिए कितना राइट शेयर मिलेगा? टू अ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, हाउ मच? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया 5,000 into 2 divide by 5, we get 2,000 right shares. मतलब maximum we can purchase, because we have 5,000 shares, रेशो 2:5 है, उसके हिसाब से 5 इक्विटी शेयर है तो 2 राइट शेयर मिलेगा, उसके हिसाब से वी कैन गेट मैक्सिमम 2,000 राइट शेयर्स. वी कैन गेट मैक्सिमम 2,000 राइट शेयर्स. सो हमने कितना ऑप्शन दिया? हाउ मच? 98 रुपीज में हमें मिल रहा है ये राइट शेयर, और हमारे पास उतना पैसा नहीं रहेगा पूरा 2,000 राइट शेयर, या वी डोंट वांट टू परचेस ऑल द 2,000 राइट शेयर. सी हियर देयर इज वन मोर ऑप्शन विच द कंपनी, इन केस ऑफ राइट शेयर, कंपनी क्या कर सकती है? एक और ऑप्शन दे सकती है कि ठीक है, ये मुझे 2,000 राइट शेयर मिलेगा, तो ये पूरा खरीद के I may sell it in the open, I may sell it to someone else at a higher price, because ये राइट शेयर एग्जिस्टिंग इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को कम पैसे में मिलता है एज कंपेयर टू द ओपन मार्केट. पब्लिक को existing equity shares get it at a lesser price as compared to the जनरल पब्लिक. तो आप खरीद के, अगर आप खरीद सकते हो तो जितना शेयर आपको मिलने वाला है पूरा 2,000 खरीद के आप किसी और को भी सेल कर सकते हो. दैट काइंड ऑफ सम्स आल्सो यू मे सी. हियर व्हाट यूनिवर्सल प्लास्टिक ट्रेडर्स हैव डन, दे एक्सरसाइज देयर ऑप्शन for 50% of right shares and applied for the same. तो वो लोगों ने पूरा 2,000 right shares नहीं परचेस किया, they purchase 50% of their option. So यहाँ पे what we will do, 2,000 का 50%. How much did they purchase? They purchased 1,000 right shares. They purchase only 50%. So 1,000 right shares of at rupees. What is the price? 98 each. So 1,000 into 98 is equal to how much? 1,000 into 98 is equal to 98,000. So means ये लोगों ने how much they did not, this universal plastic traders, they did not purchase all the 2,000 shares. उनको जबकि they were getting all 2,000 shares, but they opted for only 50%. They applied for only 50% of their option. कि उनको ऑप्शन था कि 2,000 राइट शेयर्स मिलेगा, but they did not purchase all the 2,000. They purchased 50%. What is given in the question? Universal plastic traders exercise their option for 50% of right shares and applied for the same. They applied for 50% of the right shares. So that is giving us 98,000. अब right share मिलेगा तो what will happen? Right share मिलेगा तो हमारा investment increase होगा because we are getting more shares. So debit side में what is the date? Date is December 1, 2012. Let me show like this only. Date है December या 1st December. Date is 1st December. So 1st December को राइट शेयर परचेज किया. So what will go? हमने राइट शेयर हमें फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में नहीं मिला है. राइट शेयर हमें फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में नहीं मिला है. जब हम राइट शेयर परचेज करेंगे तो व्हाट विल गो आउट? टेल मी. राइट शेयर हमें 98 रुपीज पर शेयर के हिसाब से मिला है. So when we will, because we are purchasing right share, हमारा शेयर होल्डिंग इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. and what will go out? What will go out? Cash bank account. तो राइट शेयर कितना 1000 राइट शेयर खरीदा, बिकॉज वी ऑप्टेड ओनली 50% ऑफ द ऑप्शन. हमने 50% ऑफ द ऑप्शन ही लिया. सो 98,000. तो कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर में भी बताना चाहिए. एड हमने क्या खरीदा? राइट शेयर्स. कितना? 2000 खरीद सकते थे, but we purchase only 1000 for how much? 98,000. So हमारे पास कितना शेयर्स हो गया? How much is our balance now? 5 plus 1, 6,000. 4 lakh 2 plus 98 will give us 5 lakh. Correct? 4 lakh 2,000 plus 98,000 will give us 5 lakh. This is our holding now. इसके बाद what is given? इसके बाद हमने अप्लाई भी किया. 50% of the right shares हमने ऑप्ट किया and we applied for the same. That is done. Now on 20th March 2013, Universal Plastic Traders sold 1600 of the 1600 shares of Maruti Limited at 99.50. ओके, सेल करेंगे तो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट कम होगा. परचेस करते तो इन्वेस्टमेंट ज्यादा होता है, सेल करते तो इन्वेस्टमेंट कम होता है. तो यहाँ पे क्रेडिट, इन्वेस्टमेंट इज अ असेट, कम होगा तो क्रेडिट साइड. सो 2013, इट इज 2013 20th March 2013 20th March. क्या किया उस दिन? What did we did that day? We have sold. तो सोल्ड करेंगे तो what will come? When we will sell, what we will get? Cash bank account. We will get money when we will sell. सेल करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? सेल करेंगे तो क्या जाएगा? शेयर जाएगा. एंड व्हाट वी विल गेट? वी विल गेट मनी. सो हाउ many shares we have sold? We have sold 1600 shares. And at what price? We have sold at the price of 99.50. तो करो मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 1600 इंटू हमारा सेल प्रोसीड क्या है? 99.50. So we will get 159,200. 1,59,200. लेकिन जब भी सेल करते हैं तो एक और चीज हमारे दिमाग में आता है. Whenever we are selling something, the first thing that comes to our mind is profit or loss. Profit हुआ है सेल पे या लॉस हुआ है? Whenever you are selling anything, see, when we are purchasing, it is that we have paid more or we have paid less. वहां पे प्रॉफिट लॉस नहीं होता. आपने ज्यादा पे किया परचेस में या आपने कम पे किया, आपको कम में मिला या आपको ज्यादा पैसा देकर मिला, वो सोचते. बट व्हेन वी आर सेलिंग समथिंग, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू आवर माइंड इज whether we have sold for profit or we have sold for loss. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट, वो हम कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर में से कर सकते हैं. लेस सेल्स, कितना यूनिट सेल करने वाले हैं, 1600. कितना कॉस्ट है उसका, दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. वो हमें क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते वक्त मिलेगा. सो यहाँ पे let us go to our second main important, because this only has been asked in the question. Calculation of profit or loss on sale of equity shares. कितना sale of 1600 equity shares. So sale price कितना है? What is the sales price? Sale price is given here 1,59,200. given ना, 1,59,200 कैसे आया ये आया हमें 1600 शेयर सेल किया फॉर 99.50, मल्टीप्लाई किया 1600 into 99.50, we have got this amount. इसमें से लेस करेंगे वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट. वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 1600 into 5 लाख. क्रॉस में मल्टीप्लाई करो, डिवाइड बाय 1600 into 5 लाख. डिवाइड बाय क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिवाइड बाय 6000. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन एवरीवन नोट टू डू. 1600 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 5 लाख से एंड डिवाइड बाय 6000. कॉस्ट हमें मिल रहा है 1 लाख. फिर से करते, लेट अस डू दिस बाय अवर सेल्फ. 1600 into 5 lakh divide by 6000, we are getting 1,33,333. we are getting पॉइंट नहीं लेंगे, 1.3 है तो डेसिमल ज्यादा करने का जरूरत नहीं है. 1,33,333 is the cost. So हमारा कॉस्ट है 1,33,333 और हमने सेल किया 1,59,200 में. So tell me, is it a profit or a loss? हमने कॉस्ट से ज्यादा प्राइस में सेल किया. कॉस्ट इज ओनली 1,33,330, 1,33,333 और हमने सेल किया 1,59,200 में. So we have sold for a greater amount. So it's a profit. How much is the amount of profit? प्रॉफिट कितने का हुआ? गिव द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट का अमाउंट क्या है? हाउ मच इज द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट? 25,867. Everyone are getting this amount. 1,59,200 minus 1,33,333 minus किया तो we get the profit 25,867. This profit is important because this is what has been asked. Calculate profit or loss. So profit होता है तो उसको हम लोग यहाँ दिखाते, because यहाँ से it will go to the ऑपोजिट साइड. यहां से वो P&L अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में जाता है, बिकॉज प्रॉफिट उधर ही दिखाते 20th मार्च. सो यहाँ पे लेट अस शो प्रॉफिट है. सो to profit and loss account. Bracket में we can write profit. कितने का प्रॉफिट हुआ? 25,867. Now we can close this account. क्लोज करेंगे तो हमेशा we will see that because हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट हमारा परचेज ज्यादा है, so obviously which side will be higher? प्रॉफिट हमने ज्यादा परचेज किया, कम सेल किया, हमेशा इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट साइड ही ज्यादा होगा, या तो पूरा सेल कर दिया इन्वेस्टमेंट तो टैली हो जाएगा. सो 6,000 में से 1,600 सेल हो गया, तो 4,400 यूनिट्स आर स्टिल रिमेनिंग. 5 लाख में से 1,33,333 माइनस किया, so we get 3,66,667. यहाँ पे भी we have to close this. Now let us close the investment account. 4,02,000 plus 98,000 plus 25,867. We get 5,25,867. Same amount we will copy in the other side. And ये हमारे लिए 31st मार्च का बैलेंस हो जाएगा. 31st मार्च बैलेंस हो जाएगा बाय बैलेंस. कैरी डाउन क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. कितना बचा अमाउंट? माइनस करो. 5,25,000. 5,25,000. Sorry, 5,25,000. 5,25,867 minus 1,59,200. 5,25,867 minus 1,59,200. हमें आंसर मिलेगा 3,66,667. Same that we have got in the cost structure. Same amount we have got here, and with this sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.